Number 1, drop. My mom will drop me off at school. Drop. Number 2, frog. I saw a frog on the lily pad. Frog. Number 3, crop. Corn is a type of crop. Crop. Number 4, green. I like my green shirt. Green. Number 5, brick. Follow the yellow brick road. Brick. Number 6, trip. I want to take a trip to the beach. Trip. Number 7, trap. Do not go through that door. It is a trap. Trap. Number 8, crab. I saw a crab walking on the sand. Crab. Number 9, grab. Make sure to grab your sunglasses. It is sunny. Grab. Number 10, brag. It is not nice to brag. Brag.